Ka Ophis u District Sports Officer Ribhoi District Nongpo. Hakajinga sno okti lang bar ka Ophis u BDO Umling CNRD Block menta kasini live ho tarik risau kala penkut no ya ka Lympung joki Samla ban pen I ya ka sap ka Pong joki Khun Samla ya ka balatip kum ka first block level chief minister youth engagement program hajar arkusan ka Ningkong halor ka Phang empowered youth empowered Meghalaya ka ba arsngi ya ka balapen long ha district library nongpo ka badang hab ha Umling CNRD Block. Ya kata ka Lympung ki Samla ka bala penlong hapo Umling CNRD Block la sedang henin kesngi arpo khandai tarik risau ha ka bala wan ban play da BDO ko Umling CNRD Block ba Eric Kidekar ha ka jinga dan lang uba Bobby L Nongbet District Sports Officer nongpo Kongrida Lendem PTI District Sports Office nongpo lembat kiwe Hakane ka program ka ba arsngi kenti la sakhi ya ki jinga ko ba pher ka ba kentup ya ka jinga ko draw bat airong ka jinga ko tem gitar ka jinga ko ruai bat shat tenrai ka jinga ko kentip bat kiwe ha ka bala wan ban shimpenta da ki Khun Samla kenthe bat shenrang jo ka Umling block bana pedeng kita ki Samla na kalyang ka Ophis UDSO kanjet Henry pu prangut ki bakan sai tam ban lej shimpenta pat ka district level ban ya ko pen isap pat bat kiwe ki block na ribhoi Hakani kesngi penkut lawan ban penha perda da uba Mirrabon CM MLA Kanongpo constituency hakajing dan rengkat u Dr Celestine Lingdo MLA Umsning constituency hakajing asa khilang u BDO ko Umling CNRD block uba Eric Kedekar uba Bobby L Nongben lembat kinong trei na ka Ophis UDSO bat na ka Ophis BDO Umling block ki khana school bat kinong hikai Hagabakut pat jangkate ka Lympung na kaliang ka Ophis UDSO kila sami ki khusnam syabaro kinong job bat ya kasernat syabaro ki balawan ban syembenta hakate ka Lympung ka ba arsngi
He's out. He's not going to participate. And number 9 is Patrick Jana. So all the best. Girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for them.
Data that has been made by various agencies of central government and state government with regards to education, with regards to other parameters that we have. But still we are improving now. So the youth of the day, you have full responsibility. You have to take that responsibility to ensure that the future is yours. And to ensure that in different parameters that we have, to be at par with other districts or with other states of our country, it depends on all of you. You will do well in your study, you may be placed well in various departments or as entrepreneur or anyone in your life, but the main responsibility that you should have is that to be a human being, a good human being who will contribute for a better society. Will they be glad? Beginang dari start, iyo, nila kam macam dari kepokong sang kelong, penlong, ukriu bene kabriu, kibabha, dan akor betul-betul play but not singa na kabenta kalau itu pesawat. It is very important that through this kind of program, an engagement or exchange program, in the previous year it was conducted at the district level, but this is the first time that it has been conducted at the block level. We have heard from the organizer that it is less participant in Umling Singat. There are various reasons, maybe they are due to preparation for exams. Most of you will have exam in November, and especially for those who will appear for SSLC, HSLC, you have to prepare yourself. Maybe other reasons also are there. So the timing also, just now I heard that the district level will be on the 12, 13, 14 of November, right during exam time. So there may be difficulty for participants to actively participate. So in due course of time, my suggestion is that it should be somewhere where after exam or much ahead before exam, so that it won't affect the student participants. Most of the participants here, they are students in school or colleges. So actively participants who have come here will hope that you will carry forward all the goodwill, the good wish, all the lessons that you have learned from here, the experience that you have gained from this engagement program. I remember last year also at the district level, we have seen many talents who have represented from the district to the state level. And this year, especially, it has been spread at the block level. I'm not wrong to say that this is a platform, an opportunity to each and every one of you to have a total representation from each and every level. I hope.
When you wear your own attire, you always look amazing. So wonderful, guys. Well performed and keep that. Nice and useful. Receiving the third place, we have the team from Umling, that is Howard Jones Nindo and Alan Sinkley. Daya Chan, we've all seen her perform in the talent show.
Bersama kami, hamne hamam.